stop fumbling through your wallet, let's get your Usaa card's CVV number quickly and securely in the Usaa mobile app. First things first, open the Usaa app on your mobile device and log in using your username and password or biometrics. Make sure you're on the homepage. Once you're logged in, look for the Cards section. It's usually prominently displayed on the main screen. Tap or click on the Cards option to open it. In the Cards section, you should see a list of your Usaa credit and debit cards. Select the specific card for which you need the CVV number by tapping on it. Now you're in the card details view. Look carefully and scroll down the page until you find the View Card Details option. Tap on the View Card Details or View CVV option. This will lead you to where the CVV is hidden for security purposes. You might be prompted to verify your identity using either your security questions or maybe get a code sent to your email or phone number. Follow the on-screen directions to do that. This extra step assures an important degree of security. Successfully verifying your identity will show your CVV. And there you have it. Your CVV number is displayed. Remember this number, which is a crucial step while securing your online transactions. Now you can confidently and securely make online purchases with your Usaa card. Make sure that you keep this number safe and secure.